What's up, everybody? Welcome back, Foxbody Garage. Today's task is we're going to try to do the drum brake setup and get everything mounted and brakes bled and everything functioning. That's today's task. Hopefully it goes well. I got my buddy John. He came over to give me a hand. He said he's familiar with doing the drum brake setups with the springs and all that stuff. And let's dive right into it. I'll give you guys a quick view of what we're doing. There's my buddy John. John, say hi to our community.
Hi, community.
All our loyal fans and subscribers. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. And for you new subscribers, I would appreciate if you could smash that subscribe button when you come across the video. With that said, today is drum brake day. We got all the new springs for both sides, and we got all the spring kit and all the gadgets. To be honest with you, this is a learning experience for me too. That's why my boy John said, don't worry about it, I got it. He's gonna help me out.
Just give me the brake shoes and that plastic bag with the parts.
Brake shoes, rear brake shoes,
Parts.
brand new rear brake shoes, and you want the small parts kit. The one with the different color springs and all that stuff?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And that bar, the old bar that we're gonna.
And the reusable piece that you cannot get, and it does have the Ford logo on it. This does not come with the rebuild kit. They state to use this one. I guess you can't get it. So if you're doing drum brakes, don't throw this away. Everything else you can get. There's the bar. So
A Z-bar.
What is it called?
A Z-bar.
A Z-bar. Gotcha.
Spreader.
All right. So let us get working on this, and we'll be back and we'll show you hopefully when it's all done, and we'll go from there. Once again, Foxbody Garage coming at you. Today is Sunday. We did a video yesterday also, put in the transmission and all that. What I'm trying to do is learn how to edit the videos to make them more enjoyable for everybody and including myself. But I'm not really that great at the edit situation yet. So that's what I've been doing. That's why I didn't put the video up that we made yesterday. If that makes any sense. So I'm trying a new software called DaVinci something for editing, and I'm going to try to learn how to do it so I can make better entertaining videos, and the video quality should get better, and hopefully I'll get more subscribers and everybody will be happy. With that said, guys, stay tuned. We'll be back. Peace. Alright guys, good news, bad news. The good news is we got one side done. Check it out. Let's see if I can pull the drum off. Hold on. Bear with me. See if we can get the drum off. Sorry for the camera work, guys. You already know. You already know, fellas. Alright, drum is off. We got it all situated. Okay, wasn't the easiest thing to do. That's how it situates. The green spring goes towards the back of the car. The white spring goes towards the front of the car. And on the passenger side, they give you the little loop around thing that goes down. The little loop around thing that goes down to the adjuster, and the hardest part is that red spring to get it. The red spring. Basically, LMR has a video. Look them up. They'll give you a better in-depth on how to do it. We did, check them out real quick to make sure we were doing it right, and we got it together. So let us fight with the other side, and we'll be back. Alright guys, welcome back. So after muscling and bustling and wrestling with these drum brakes, We finally got the rears done on both sides. Let me give you a quick view. We got new brakes all around. We just completed the rear ones. Let me give you a complete overview. Okay, new drums on both sides. Shocks and springs. New old stock. We got Big John over here.
Trying to get up.
Trying to get up. It needs an old school guy to do old school stuff. Be honest with you. You know, drum brakes ain't easy. There's a lot of little parts that got to go together at the same time. And they got to be put in at the right moment before you put one. If you don't, you got to take it all back apart. Ask me how we know. Because we put it all together and we had to take it all back apart to do it. So it's not the easiest thing, but they're done. And now we'll pull the fronts off the front wheels and we'll assess what we need, what we don't need. And if we get ambitious enough, we'll do it depending on the time. And if not, don't forget to hit the like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. I don't ask for nothing except support, and I appreciate the guys who do support me and my channel and my boys. Have a great day and a better tomorrow. Until the next time, Foxbody Garage, we're out of here. Later.